Hi students, how are you all? Hope you're all doing well. In the first session or in the last session, we have seen how to write a paragraph. We have wrote a paragraph on Dr. Subhash Chandra Bose, um, how he had showed interest in the field of science, right? He dedicated his life for the field of science, right? And today we are going to see in your textbook in page number 37, right, what he has given here. Collect the information about 10 world famous Indian scientists and write in your notebook in the format given below. He has given some format here in tables and columns, right, columns and rows, right. You have to, by using this format which is given in your textbook, you have to write about 10 different scientists, right, about 10 different world famous Indian scientists. Now I'm going to, you have to draw like this kind of rows and columns, right, and very neatly you have to draw and you have to copy down in your notebook, right. And first one, you have to write serial index number like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to give the number for each scientist, and first you have to write name of the scientist, right. You have to write the name of the scientist and the country to which the scientist belong, and the discovery made by the scientist or the invention made by the scientist, and the award what has been given to that particular scientist, right. Right. First one is APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam, he was born in Tamil Nadu, India, right? India. APJ Abdul Kalam, first scientist. He was born in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is in India, right? Now, he discovered missiles. He discovered missiles, right? And for that he was awarded Bharat Ratna in the year 1997. 1997, right? First one, who is the scientist? APJ Abdul Kalam. He is born, or he belongs to place Tamil Nadu, that is in India. His discovery or invention is missiles, and the award which is given to him is Bharat Ratna in the year 1997. Second one, Hargobind Khorana. Hargobind Khorana. Hargobind Khorana, right? He belongs to, or he is born in Punjab, India, a state in India, right? He is discovered about gene. He discovered about gene or genes, about the genes are the characters are which are transferred from the parent to the offspring, or the characters transferred from parent to the offspring. This is the one he discovered, and for this he was awarded Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize in the year 1968. 1968. Next, Homi Jahangir Baba. Homi Jahangir Baba. He is also born in Punjab, that is in India, right? He discovered Indian nuclear program. Indian nuclear program, and for this he was awarded Padma Bhushan. Padma Bhushan in the year 1954. 1954. Next, fourth scientist name is M.S. Swaminathan. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. He belonged to Tamil Nadu, which is in India, right? And he discovered green revolution. Green revolution is nothing but the importance of growing crops or agriculture, right? Importance of growing crop or agriculture, right? And he was awarded Padma Shri in the year 1967. In the year 1967, he was awarded Padma Shri for his discovery or the invention of green revolution, right? And fifth one, Salim Ali. Right? He was born in Maharashtra, that is in India, right? He discovered or he made the importance of birds conservation. Bird conservation, how to save birds, right? He is the one who discovered this bird conservation process, right? Next, and for this he was awarded Padma Vibhushan. In the year 1976. Right? These are the first 5 scientists, and the next 5 scientists I am going to write the next. All of you copy down, right? The remaining I'll write next, right? Is that clear? Right? 6, 7 and 10. Remaining we'll see now. 6-1 SS Bhatnagar. SS Bhatnagar is also born in Punjab, India, right? He invented or discovered about space research, about the study of planets and all, right? Space research. And he was also awarded Padma Vibhushan in the year 1954, right? Next, seventh one, Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya, right? He was born in Karnataka, India, right? Right? He discovered or he invented civil engineer or dam projects. Civil engineer, that is construction of dams and projects, right? And he was awarded Bharat Ratna. And Bharat Ratna in the year 1955. In the year 1955. Next, Yallapragada Subbarao. Yallapragada Subbarao. He is born in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, that is in India, right? ATP folic acid. ATP acid. He was not given any award. His award is not mentioned here, right? Next, ninth one, Satish Dhawan. Satish Dhawan he was born in Jammu and Kashmir, that is in India, right? He invented or discovered aerospace or rockets, right? This is award also not mentioned here. And the last one, Satyendranath Bose. Satyendranath Bose, born West Bengal. I'll write again. West Bengal, right? Bose Einstein. He invented Bose Einstein condensate, and he was awarded Padma Vibhushan in the year 1954, right? You can see, you can copy down all this in your notebooks, and you have to make a project work on this. In A4 sheet, you have to collect the color pictures of all these scientists. You have to paste them in the A4 sheet and write all the information that I have given, and this will be your project work. And you have to do, and also you have to write this one in your notebooks. And this is the end of our second unit, right? This is the end of our second unit, and in the in the next class we are going to see the third unit. That's all for today in this session. Thank you.